Hello genius, we have to decompose this rational function into a partial fraction. We have this denominator as linear factor, and this one is repetitive because we have a power as square. So we can write it like x plus 1 plus x plus 1 square, and we have two terms in numerator, so we can write it a1 and a2 for them, where on other hand what we have rational function which we have to convert into a partial fraction. So simply what we have to do, we just have to remove this x plus 1 whole square, so we have to multiply by it on both hands. So we can write it like x plus 1 whole square multiply by x plus 1 whole square equals to, where a1 and a2 both fractions will multiply by this term, a1 upon x plus 1, which will be multiplied by x plus 1 whole square. Similarly, a2 upon x plus 1 whole square will multiply by x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square and x plus 1 whole square will be cancelled out on both hands. Similarly, we have x plus 1 and over here we have a square, which means it has 2 x plus 1. So one bracket should be cancelled out over here. Now we have remaining a1 multiplied by x plus 1 plus a2, where on other hand we have 4x minus 3. Now this a1 will be multiplied by x similarly with 1. So it will be written as a1x plus a1 plus a2, 4x minus 3. Now if we are noticing them, so we have one term with x on this side and one term with x on that side. So we have to compare both x terms togetherly. 4x is equals to a1x. X and x are cancel out to each other, so we can say that a1 will be equals to our 4, where we have this a1 and a2 was not having any variable, which shows that these are constant term. So we have to equate them with our constant term. So we can say that a1 plus a2 equals to minus 3, where the value of a1 we already know is 4 plus a2 is equals to minus 3. Now from this one we can know that the value of a2 will be minus 7, because this 4 moves to that side, so it will be minus 4. Minus minus plus minus 3 added by minus 4 will gives us minus 7. Now we know the value of a1 and a2 both, so what we have to do, we just have to put these values onto the partial fraction to get our desired answer. So the value of a1 is 4 and denominator x plus 1. Instead of writing plus sign, we have a2 with the negative sign, so we are placing negative sign in between of them. 7 upon x plus 1 whole square, and this one is our answer. If you just solve this one, so you will get back this statement, this rational function. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.